Hello, hi everyone. We are back again with this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Wednesday, August the 26th. Yes, the second Sudoku is a two-star Sudoku, and this two-star Sudoku will be number 1413. Yes, 1413. Alright, and I always start to count the printed digits. Previous one has 27, so I think this one has 26. So let me count. We have here 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18, plus 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24, plus 2 is 26, as expected. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, which number can I use? I see here 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about the number? The number. Which number shall I use? The 8 in this column, the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then we have a pair in this big square. Look, we have 7 missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 8. We have a 6 and an 8 in the middle column. So no 6 and an 8 in these 3 boxes. We have the 6 and the 8 in this row. So no 6 and the 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 and the 8 goes in these 2 boxes. 6 and the 8, 6 and the 8. Alright. Then we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. These 2 numbers in this big square should be reserved for the numbers 7 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. These 2 numbers in this row are reserved for the 7 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. These 3 numbers in this big square. For the numbers 2, 5, 2, 5, and 4. 2, 5, and 4. That means 1 box left. 2, 5, 4. 1 box left should be in this row for the number 7. Then these 3 numbers, 8 is missing, 6 is missing, and 8, 6, and 2 look, we have a 2 and a 6, so no 2 and a 6 in this box. One digit left should be the 8. The 2 and the 6 goes in these two boxes. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1, 5, 7. And then, yeah. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 2. Let me mark them for you. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. It's a pair, it's a pair, it's a pair. How about the number? The number. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So we have an 8 in the last row in one of these 2 boxes. An 8 over there in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here also an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. And then how about we see here 2. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be the 6. Yes. Then 2 numbers left. In this column, the 1 and the 9 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 in this row, last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. Let me mark them for you, 5 and 7. That means in the last column, 2 numbers left for the numbers 9 and 6. 9 and 6 are missing. 9 and 6. Let me mark them also for you. It's a pair. These 2 numbers in this big square, the 7 and the 5. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. And now 5, 5. It's supposed to be 5 here. 8, 8. How about the number? This row, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Yeah. We have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Yeah. In this row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. Here also a 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 6. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 3. Alright, 1 digit left in this row for the number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the first column, so in the column between the second column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this middle column for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 2 numbers left in the third row, the 5 and the 7. 5 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so in the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between, the second column, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, 1 digit left in this big square for the number 7. 2 boxes left. The 7 and the 3, I cannot fill this yet. The 7 and the 3, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and 3 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be the 6. Final two numbers of this big square, the 8 and the 2. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes, and there. Finish in 50 minutes exactly. Yes, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.